Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. Want to bring attention to this packaging right here. May not seem like much, but this is the Scissor Leash by North American Rescue. Open this one up for you so you can clip this onto your first aid kit, your belt, vest, whatever you want to hook to, and then hook your trauma shears, like these X-Shears, to it, and they stay attached. You don't lose them. These X-Shears are awesome. I did a review on these on the Skinny Medic channel. I use these. I love them. This video isn't about these X-Shears. I included these because these are expensive. These aren't like the $5 trauma shears over there that are on most ambulances that are disposable. These are not disposable. You don't want to lose these. So I would attach here to the handle, attach this to your vest, your IFAC, something like that. That way, these are less likely to get left on scene, less likely to walk off, because your hard-earned money bought these and you don't want to lose them. So I'll put a link down below to the Scissor Leash. There again, if you got something you don't want to lose, I think this is something you want to look at. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.